Hello everyone, welcome to the Security Center practical series. In this session, we will study about the first part is encrypting and decrypting data using SSL and sorry for this. Then the second part would be encrypting and decrypting data using hacker tool. The third part would be hashing a text file with OpenSSL and verifying them. So we'll be using Kali Linux for this. So in my system, I'll show I have this virtual box, and here I have this Kali Linux. You can also install this. Either you can use directly Kali Linux machine, or you can have a virtual box using the virtual environment. So now it will boot. So by default the username is Kali and password is also Kali. I will just enter this. So here we are into the Kali Linux. Now for the first part, we will see how to encrypt and decrypt any file using OpenSSL. For that purpose, I will just open up the terminal. I will just click here and we get a terminal. So this is the terminal. So first of all, we will see how we can actually generate a random number. So I'll just type OpenSSL and then RAND. Sorry. Then RAND for random number dash hex 32. So this particular command will generate a 32 number, okay? 32 bits, 32 bytes number. Okay? Now suppose I want to save this number. I want to generate again a random number, but now I am interested in saving that number in some file. So let us type OpenSSL again, and then again RAND, then dash hex dash out. So I want to output this number. Let us make a file encrypto, or let us take it as key, KEY key, and then 64. Okay. So this command will generate a random number of 64 bytes and store it in a file called as key. Okay. So this is saved. Let us check. I'll just type dir. So as you can see, we have this file key. Okay. Now if I say just type the command cat KEY key to check the contents. So this is the content of the 64 byte data. Okay. Now let us create a file and we will encrypt that file. So I'll just type a simple command echo. Okay. So just type this is a confidential file. Just some text. I'm just entering some text and then saving this file as a smile.txt, smile.txt. This file is saved. I can just check this file typing that command dir. So as you can see, smile.txt is there. Now first of all, we'll encrypt this file without using that particular encrypt that key. We'll just give some random key, and then I'll show you how to encrypt with already generated key, and how just we can type the key at that particular time. So let us type the command OpenSSL, okay. Then DES. Okay, so DES is one of the encryption algorithm, data encryption standard, and we type EDE 3. So there are various versions available for DES. So we are using triple DES, and then CBC. CBC is the mode of operation of DES. There are various different operations. We also have electronic code by ECB, etc. I'm using CBC. Then which file we want to encrypt? So we'll type in. So we want to encrypt the file smile, smile dot txt, sorry, smile dot txt, and I want to save this particular file, this encrypted file in smile, as ZMILE smile, then encrypting. Okay, so just enter. Now it will ask us for the password. So suppose I am typing the password 123456, 123456. This won't be visible here. Okay, it will verify the password. So again 123456, you can enter any password. So this is we are getting, you can see there is a warning, deprecated key derivation used. To actually see, DES requires a key of size 56 bits, but I am only typing 6 numbers, so that is the key is less, but it will manage, don't worry. So this is how we encrypt. We have encrypted the file. We can check the file dir. So when I type dir, as we can see, smile file is also there, smile file is also there. Now suppose I want to now decrypt that file smile using this OpenSSL command. So what I do is, again go back to the previous command. As we can see in this command, OpenSSL DES, this was the previous command for actually encrypting the file. Now what I do is I want to now decrypt the file. So what changes I make in this is that here in it will become smile. Then I want to save this file. So let us take ABCD. Okay, I want to take this file as ABCD. Okay, then here you can see we want to decrypt, right? So we just encrypt, we cut this, delete this, and type D for decryption. Okay, these things will remain same. Okay, now I'll just enter. Now it will ask for the password. The password is 123456. So now this is we get the output. Now we can check the output. I'll just type the command dir. So this ABC file will be there. Okay, you can see ABCD file is there. I'll just type the command cat ABCD, and this is the this is what the file name was. So this is how we can actually encrypt the data. Now let us encrypt the data using AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, and using a file which we already have created, a key which we already created. If you remember, we created a file KEY key. Okay, so let us type the command OpenSSL AES. Then AES comes in various modes. So I will just use AES 256 mode, where the size of the key is 256 bits, and CBC. Then I want to encrypt the file smile. So smile smile.txt, and I want to create an output file. Let us say XYZ. Okay. Now I want to encrypt this file. So with this E space A. Okay, and then we are using a file. So I'll just type the command k file, and this k file will we need to name the file. So this file, because it is in the same folder, so we'll just write the type. Otherwise we need to actually give the entire path. So because it is here in the same path, so just type this and enter. So again it has already encrypted, but because the size of the key is less, so it is giving that message. Okay, now let us decrypt the file. For decrypting the file, we do what we do is just make this change here. So here we need to decrypt this file XYZ. Okay, and this is XYZ. Okay, so let us make it some different. Okay, so ABCDE. Okay, let's name this file as this one, and here we are decrypting, so we need to type D. Okay, and that's it, the things will remain same. Okay, so this is done. Now let us check whether the file is there or not. So as you can see, ABCDE is there. So let us check the contents. So this is how we perform this practical. So this is run. Okay, so this is how we do the first part. Now let us go for the second part. Now in the second part, we will create a file and encrypt that file using a hacker tool. So I'll just open the terminal. Okay, I have deleted all the files which I had created in the previous session, the previous part. So first of all, let us create a file using the echo command. So echo, this is a secure file. We can type anything, and I'll name the file as smile.txt. This file is created. Now just type dir to know how many files are there. So this is my file is created with smile.txt. Now first of all, we'll see how to encrypt the file. Okay, I will encrypt the same file with different and store the file with different names. So with different passwords, of course. So first let us encrypt the file. So zip encrypt, zip encrypt, and then I will save the file with abcd1.zip. I'll just use this action zip. Okay. And I want to encrypt this file smile.txt. So after encrypting, the file will be saved in abcd1.zip. Okay. So I just enter it. Now it is asking for the password. Okay. So first of all, I will use a very simple password, a 1-character password. I'll just type A. Okay. This won't be visible here. Then verify the password. Again I type the password A. So now this file has been created. Okay. Now let us create another file, encrypted file. Now instead of 1, I will just type 2. Okay. And then so you can see this file is same, just it is abcd2. Rest all the commands are same. Okay, enter it. It will asking for the password. I will just type A, B and C. I am typing ABC. Okay, again A, B, C. So this password is more stronger as compared to the previous one. Previous was 1 character, this is 3 character. So this file is also saved. Let us use one more. We will create one more file with abc3.zip. Okay, and here we enter the password as A, B, C, D and E. So there are 5 characters in this case. So again A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now this is how we actually create 3 files. You can see this dir, typing the command dir, we can see there are files abcd1, abcd2, abcd3.zip. They are the encrypted file actually. Okay, so actually if I type the command cat and abcd1.zip, it will ask for the so this is what the contents are. So this, because the file is encrypted, so we are unable to see what is inside the file. Okay, now how to decrypt or how to crack the password actually using the various tools. So I'll use the tool John. Okay, so let us see how we can do this. Okay. So I'll just type the command zip to John. And the file name is abcd. I'll just type the command abcd1. Okay, and abcd1 actually dot zip actually, and hash.txt. So now next what we do is we need to recover this password. So type John space hash dot txt. So as you can see this, you can see this A, this is the password which I had typed, which I had used for this particular file. So it has recovered the password. Okay, we can even type the command John dash dash, okay, show hash.txt to show that particular. So it has cracked this one password. Okay, and this password, you can see this A is the password. Now let us crack the second password. Okay. So first of all we need to create this hash. I'll just type hash 1. So this is ABCD1. I'll just type it, sorry, just type it ABCD2. The second file is ABCD2, and we can even let it be hash text only. Okay, then the second is this one, hash.txt. So you can see this is the password. ABC was our password. Okay, so it cracked this password. If you want to show this password, so this is show. Okay, so this one password is recorded, this is ABC. Now let's go to the last file, which was actually of 5 characters, ABCDE, I think so. Okay. So this is 3. Okay. And just enter. Then need to recover this. So hash.txt. So it hardly took even less than a second. So this ABCDE, this is when cracked. Sorry. So show this is the password. So this ABCDE. Okay. So this now we can actually crack the password. If we type this password to decrypt, it will of course decrypt the, it will show the decrypted file also. Okay, so this is how we can actually do the second part. Now if you want to have if you want to make this more stronger, we can type some characters, some numbers, some special characters, then it will take some long time. So here it took very less time to crack the password. We can use some other things also. So that's all. Now let us go to the third part. In the third part of the video, we will create a file and then find its hash value, create another file and also find its hash value, and then verify the hash. So hash, actually it is like a message digest. So it is that no two different message will have the same message digest. So we can actually check the integrity of a message by using the message digest. Let us see how we can do that. First of all, we create a file using this command echo. So I'll just type the command, I'll just type the message, welcome to iSmile Academy. And save this with the extension smile.txt. Now I'll create one more file with this. Only change is that instead of iSmile, I'll let eSmile, and I'll name this file as smile1. So here we can see there are two files. On the two different files, on the difference of one alphabet. So here we have welcome to iSmile, welcome to eSmile. Okay. Next, let us check dir, that how many we have files. So we have these two files, smile.txt and smile1.txt. Now what I will do is I will create the hash of both the files. Okay. So let us create the hash of both the files. So you will see this. So OpenSSL SHA, so secure hash algorithm, version is 256, then hex value, and we want to create this output file. So I'll just name the output file as ABCD, where this hash will be stored, extension SHA, and the name of the file is of course smile.txt. So the hash is created. Now we create the hash of the second file. So difference is here we have I'll just write abcd1, and the file is smile1, of course. So this will create the hash of the second file and store in abcd1. Okay, now let us check the hash value of the first file, that is abcd.sha. So this is the hash value we are getting. This is the hash value. Now let us calculate the hash value. See the hash value of the second file, abcd1.sha. So this is the hash value. Now this is the hash value of the second file. Although as we can see, there is just a difference of one alphabet of iSmile and eSmile, but the hash value is, there is a drastic change in the hash values of both the files. So this is how we can check the integrity. So if there is any change in the file, the hash value changes drastically. So that's how we can actually check the integrity. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.